Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to try Bantu knots on my natural hair. I just wanted a little disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I don't do this enough to really state that it's a tutorial. I just wanted to try it on my hair using the Aunt Jackie products. So this will be just me trying something new, and I just wanted to use one product line. And in this video, it's gonna be Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna be using from start to finish nothing but Aunt Jackie's products, including the cleanser, the leave-in conditioner, the deep conditioner. I'm super excited about it, and if you're interested in this video and how my hair turns out using Bantu knots, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I've already co-washed my hair. This is the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Recipes Cocoa Wash. Conditioning cleanser. It thoroughly cleans, mega conditions, and softens dry, brittle hair. It's enriched with coconut milk and apple cider vinegar. And I've already showed you, but yeah. So I've already cleansed my hair with this. I had gel in my hair, so I just wanted to make sure I started off by co-washing. Okay, so right here I'm just spraying my hair with water. As always, just getting it moisturized before I apply the product. So I'm going to be going in with the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Recipes Cocoa Repair. This is the Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. This is for all hair types. It delivers nourishment throughout the hair shaft to stop damage and breakage. So I was super excited to use this conditioner. I'm gonna say this is my first time using it, and I really like this product. It has amazing slip. It's super slippery. The product was literally getting everywhere, but as I was raking my fingers through my hair, the tangles were literally just slipping out. They were just like falling out. It doesn't require a whole lot of effort to apply this deep conditioner, so I really enjoyed using it. So now I'm just going in and adding a little bit of grapeseed oil, and I'm just lumping that through my hair, just raking it down from roots to the ends. I'm just going to follow the exact same steps to the rest of my hair. Just add a little more deep conditioner to my ends just to make sure that they're getting the attention that they need. I'm just raking it through, making sure that I didn't miss any sections. Okay, so can we just stop for a moment and then just look at the definition that this deep conditioner gave my hair? Like, if you're not here for anything else in this video, let's be here for the definition that this product gives you. It's amazing. Like I said, like, it just gets rid of all the tangles. It makes your hair super manageable. I just love it. If I would have used this product previously, it definitely would have made my favorite deep conditioners because it's an amazing product. Obviously, I'm like obsessed. That's why I'm still showing you the definition. So now I'm just gonna put my hair up like always. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and I'm gonna let my hair sit for 1 hour. I'm just adding a little more deep conditioner to the back of my hair. I have so much baby hair back there. I'm just making sure it's getting a little bit of love. Okay guys, I'll be back in a few. Okay, so now that I've sat for an hour, I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. Now it's time to style my hair. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with some water. So now I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. I mentioned this product in my favorite leave-in conditioners video. I'll link it above if you're interested in watching that. And this product is super messy, so I'm prepared for a product to go everywhere. But right now I'm just breaking it through my hair. I really like the combination of the coconut milk conditioning cleanser with the coconut cream deep conditioner. I think they pair really good together because when I applied the leave-in conditioner, my hair was really manageable. I was just able to rake the product right through. My hair was super defined. So I do think that pairing those two products together, they work really well. Now that I have the leave-in conditioner applied, I'm going to go in with Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I've also mentioned this product in a favorites video as well. I'll link that above if you're interested. So I'm just raking that through, applying that directly on top of the leave-in conditioner so that I can go in and start styling my hair. So now I'm just going to section my hair off into even more sections. I really like to only work with small pieces of hair when I'm doing the Bantu knots. So I'm just making sure that I have all the tangles out, and I'm just trying to separate my hair into sections. So my hair is just easy to work with. Okay, so here we go. I'm just taking this first section of hair, taking two sections here, and then I'm just going to twist my hair. Like I stated, this is not a tutorial by any means. I just wanted to use these products together, and I thought it would be fun to do Bantu knots on my hair because I never do Bantu knots on my hair. The last time I did Bantu knots on my hair was when I was transitioning, and I haven't did it since. So I was just wondering what my hair would look like and how it would change my curl pattern. So we're just gonna watch and we're just gonna find out together. So I'm still just twisting my hair here. And now I'm just twisting that piece of hair around itself. And then I'm just gonna do this for my entire head. So I'm not gonna ramble on. I'm just gonna let us watch it. Last Bantu knot after 2,000 hours. I'm so excited about the growth of my hair. I don't really pay attention as much because I don't flat iron my hair a lot, and it's hard to really see how much my hair is growing, but obviously here I'm pretty excited about it. I probably won't get my hair flat iron again until maybe November or December, and if I do, we can do a length check. Okay, so that was the last Bantu knot. I'm all finished. I'm just touching it up here. I look crazy, I know. By no means is it perfect. Like I said, it's not a tutorial, but I'm just interested in see how my hair looks. So it's the next day. I'm just going to apply a little oil to my hands, and then I'm going to begin to take out the Bantu knots. Okay, so I have all the Bantu knots unraveled, and this is how my hair turned out. I'm just going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Jelly. That's what I'm applying to my edges. I don't really, do a whole lot to my edges. Just, I like to lay down certain pieces of my hair because my baby hairs are really short, and if I don't try to give it a little attention, they just kind of, stick out and curl up and do their own thing. So I just apply a little bit there, give myself a light hold for my edges. And now I'm just over here messing with it, trying to get it to look the way I want it to. This is first day hair, so my hair is always super flat on the first day. But this is how it turned out. I like the way it turned out. Gave my hair a little bit of a spiral curl, and I thought it was really cute. I'll probably try it again with different products, but I really liked how my hair turned out with Aunt Jackie's products. I think her products are really moisturizing and defining. So this concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.